In this video, we're going to work with the base word pack, and we're going to add different prefixes and suffixes to the word pack to make different words. As it says, when prefixes and suffixes are added to base words, they grow new words. Different words will be made with the prefixes pre, which means before, un, meaning not, multi, meaning many, re, meaning again, and suffixes meaning a person who does an action, et, small, ed, past tense, able, able to be, and age, action or process. With our base word pack, we can make 4 new words with our prefixes: unpack, repack, pre-pack, and multi-pack. And we can make 5 words with our suffixes added to the end of pack: packed, packer, packet, package, packable. We can make even more words when we add both a prefix and a suffix to the base word pack, as in unpacked, repacked, pre-packed, and repackage. Explain to kids that the base word pack can stand alone without a prefix or a suffix, and it means arrange or fill. Then read the sentence with them. She needed to pack her suitcase. And then fill it in with the words arrange or fill. She needed to arrange her suitcase. She needed to fill her suitcase. Now show kids how a new word packed was made by adding ed, meaning past tense. It has happened. She packed her suitcase for the trip. In the first activity, help kids find the correct base word and suffix to make the word that represents the picture. This activity will help children see how a base word is changed when a suffix is added. We are going to have kids pick the correct base word and put the suffix with it to make the picture the word the picture represents. So this was in our video, and this represents packed. She has packed her clothes. Okay, so our base word is pack, and we put the suffix ed to show that she has done it. She packed her clothes, or she packed her suitcase. Well, our next picture is of a pot, and the arrow is pointed to the lid. Our choices are cover, box, and load. So the lid covered the pot. So we need to start with our base word cover, then put its suffix at the end of the word, and that makes covered. This is a box, but she had some items she boxed to her family. So our base word is box. We add the ed, and that changes the word to boxed. And then we have a dishwasher with dirty dishes to be cleaned. So they loaded the dishwasher. Load is the base word, ed is the suffix, loaded. So let's just review our 4 words: packed, covered, boxed, and loaded. Now explain to kids that we're going to add both a prefix and a suffix
to the base word pack to make a new word. So our sentence says, she repacked for the trip home. So if we look at the top, we have means again. We know pack means to arrange or fill, and ed makes past tense. So it shows that she packed again.
In this activity, kids will see how a prefix added to a base word and suffix will change the word again. So in our last activity, we made words with base word or new words with the base word and suffix added. So pack became packed. And then in our video, she had to return home, so she repacked her clothes. She did it again, and that's what prefix RE means, again. Each evening, the family eats and they have dirty dishes. So our base word was load, and then we added suffix ed, loaded. But now since they do it every night, we're going to add the prefix again, and the word becomes reloaded. Our next base word was box. The ending was ed, and they were sent boxed items. But the items were the wrong items, so they reboxed the items to send them back. Reboxed. And then our last one is covered. She checked the noodles and then recovered the pot. Recovered. She's putting the pot back on so the noodles finish cooking.
This was a template used in the activity. A package was on her porch. Package is made from the base word pack and the suffix age. Other words that have the age suffix are coverage, shortage, and postage. This is a template that is demonstrated in our next activity.
This activity is to show kids how a base word is changed with the suffix age. This is our word bank, and we're going to work with 4 base words: post, short, cover, and pack. So this was in our video, and this was pack plus the suffix age, and it made the word package. So we're going to put pack in the space or line, and it is package. This is a picture of 2 giraffes, one tall, one short. So short plus age makes the word shortage. And if you look here, they had a shortage of cereal. Only 2 little pieces came down. That was all that was in the box. There was a shortage of cereal. This was in our video, and it's a lid, but it did something. It was a cover, and when we add age to cover, we have coverage. And the umbrella was providing coverage from the sun, so they did not get a sunburn. This is a post, like a fence post. And when we add age, we have postage, like a stamp. Postage. So pack plus age makes package. Short plus age makes shortage. Cover plus age makes coverage. And Post plus AGE makes postage.
First, she unpacked the packet of soap and her multi-pack hair products. Et at the end of pack means small, and a packet holds small items. A multi-pack, with multi being a prefix at the beginning, means holds several of the same types of items. So several of the same types of items are held in the same pack. She unpacked and put everything away. So she is no longer packed. That is why her suitcase is empty and everything is out of the suitcase and put away. This is a template used for the next activity, and kids are going to use the prefix un, a base word, and then the suffix ed. So this is the completed example, and every picture will need to have the prefix un, their base word, and the suffix ed, and the words change to meaning not. The first one, unpacked, not packed. The second one, unloaded, not loaded. The third one, unboxed, not boxed. And the fourth one, uncovered, not covered. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And as always, the link for all the templates will be listed in the description section.